So strawberries are doing really good. We ended up using some of our yard leaves as mulch. Try to keep some of the moisture in. And look at these baby carrots. Look at them. They're so awesome. They're so cute. Hi, little guys. We did get a little bit of wash away. We used plastic to try to control the temp because we've had a lot of really cold nights. No, look at all the beauties. Oh, these guys are really taking off. Look at that. Oh, if I can get out of my own shadow. Oh, radishes. How I love you, radishes. We still have like a little bit of extra space you can see here. Forget what we're planting here. And all our onions are doing so good. Hello, little buddy. And all our greens, we got up this morning when we walked past here and we're like, oh my gosh, look at that. That makes me so happy. It's like the most beautiful thing to wake up to.